Driver's ready. On the turn. Woody getting punted the first lap, going from second to last. Hey, corner. Dirty Girl getting horsed into that one. Woody and Brian Gillette getting hosed on that one.
It was my own fault.
Terry Yo gonna lead lap 1 from number 4 spot. Followed by Ross. JP sticks it in the pit. Brandon up to 3rd. Schellenberg, your TQ in 4th. Brandon getting in trouble, gonna lose a spot to Schellenberg. Terry Yo and Ross Moore rookie breakaway. Corners, pay attention to your area. Be on your toes, corners. Yo and Ross Moore. 1 and 2, followed by Dan, Brandon, Gillette, JP, Scott, Thomas, Woody.
Oh, Scott.
Disastrous start for Garwood. Terrio, Ross Moore, Schellenberg, and Brandon Dyke. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's a gap back to Gillette and JP. Terrio, Ross Moore, Schellenberg, and Dyke. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woody Garwood already in danger of going a lap down. Woody says I'm just pulling with the phone. We lose Brandon on the backstretch. He's going to lose that lead pack draft. So it's Yo, Moore, and Schellenberg. Team Canada laying the smackdown in Mod Truck. Brandon Dyke, your lead American driver. Followed by 2 more Canadian. Gillette and Brandon, your lone Americans in the top 6. Coming up on the 3-minute mark, it's Terry Ross, Dan Brandon, Brian, JP, Thomas Scott, Woody, and let's find our leaders here. Terry Yo and Ross Moore about the same gap this whole race. Ross can't make up any ground. Terry can't pull away. Schellenberg, just for good measure, is going to hack a lapper.
Woody. Okay, sorry, I only have a 13.5. Oh, it's okay, we're on the same lap.
Woody picking up a spot or 2 here and there, working his way back up the leaderboard after his disastrous first lap.
How long was it?
First corner.
Brian, you were good, man. Oh, you didn't see the second one, did you?
I didn't see the second one. The first one was bad enough.
That was my fault, though, for sure. Oh, that's my fault.
Terry Ross and Dan, the way it's been from the start. Brandon in 4, Brian, JP, Woody up to 7, Thomas and then Scott.
Oh, geez.
Terrio now pulling away a little bit on Ross. Schellenberg gaining a little bit on Ross Moore. And then it's a big gap back to the first American, Brandon Dyke in 4th. Brandon's getting pressure from Brian Gillette. And there's a battle for 4th. Brandon Bryan down the backstretch they go. that's not it. 5 down, 2 to go. 5 down, 2 to go. Terry Yo stretching that lead out a little more and more.
Brian, what are you
Ross
doing?
Moore is pulled
Dirty
away
girl
from
in the
Schoenberg.
wall.
Schoenberg must have had some trouble somewhere. So your top three pretty well separated out now. Terry, Ross, and Dan. And it's Brandon. Look at Lou's dirty girl. Brandon all by himself now in fourth. Gillette was pressuring him there for a bit. Now it looks like JP and Brian battling for fifth. 1:10 to go. Mod two-wheel buggy on deck. Mod two-wheel buggy on deck. Oh, we lose our second place car in the step up. Schellenberg gonna go around to take second. Popped ball cut for Ross Moore. There goes Brandon now to take third.
America!
Ah, Ross losing spots right, losing 3 spots. Terry Yo now, who was battling Ross for second. Terry now has Ross in his sights to put him a lap down. So a disaster break there for Ross. So now it's Terry, Dan, Brandon, JP, Brian, Ross, Woody, Thomas, and then Scott. 25 seconds to go for Thurston Yo the third.
Oh, no. Oh. Sorry, damn.
5 seconds left. It's like Woody's going to be the first one done. Woody is going to get caught. When you guys cross the line, you will be done. When you cross the line, you will be done.